Yo, what's poppin'? Welcome to Bhroman Braapsody. This is day number 9 of my 18 days with the R18 coast to coast ride for kids. I'm riding for the Pediatric Brain Tumor Foundation, raising funds and spreading awareness for them. They're the foundation that helps children and their families who are diagnosed with the pediatric brain tumor, which also happens to be the deadliest form of childhood cancer. They help with treatment costs, support, training, guidance, all of that, and they also fund research into curing pediatric brain tumor once and for all. So that's what I'm riding for. This is day 9, starting from Barstow, California. We are gonna hit Santa Monica Pier today. So that's where Route 66 ends, and that's where I'll be touching the Pacific Ocean. So stay tuned. City of Angels, LA. Yeah, boy. That's the Hollywood Bowl down there. Hollywood! Made it to Hollywood. So Santa Monica Pier, parking, beach, restaurants, a bunch of shops. We're gonna go down there. This is the Santa Monica Pier. And this is the official end of the trail of Route 66, US Route 66.
Veggie burger.
This is where the route ends, from Chicago to Santa Monica, 2,448 miles. Yep, that's where it ends. This is where it ends. Made it to Santa Monica, California. Yeah. There's the Pacific Ocean, the beach, the pier, which means we've completed the first leg of the coast to coast trip, Raleigh, North Carolina to Santa Monica, California. And it's beautiful out here. Made the first half of the trip. Now on to the next second half. Still more fun stuff to come, still a few more cool spots to visit. But yeah, I'm gonna savor this one for a little bit and then get back on the road. So I'm out west is the gift that keeps on giving. Check this out. I'm in Santa Barbara somewhere, and those gorgeous mountains, gorgeous views. keep stopping for these views, man, all day, every day.
So a special shout out to our friends at BMW Motorrad North America and BMW Performance Center for loaning me this 2022 BMW R18 transcontinental for this coast-to-coast ride for the Pediatric Brain Tumor Foundation. A special shout out to our friends at Motorcycles of Greensboro for all the gear, the advice, and just the amazing friendship and the relationship that we have. A huge shout out to the professor, Andrew, Paul, Brandon, everybody there at Motorcycles of Greensboro. Riding partners at Motorcyclist Map. This is a tool built by motorcyclists for motorcyclists. You can find scenic routes, landmarks, and everything there. Our friends at Lunar Lens, they are my pixologists that help with editing all these pictures for me. And our last but not least, our partners at Fusion 9, the latest greatest Indo-Chinese phenomenon in the Research Triangle Park of Raleigh, North Carolina. Amazing food and amazing ambiance. For the ride for today, man, I started off from Barstow, California. I headed over to that Hollywood Bowl overlook by Mulholland Drive, the Hollywood sign. Headed down to the Santa Monica Pier. I got a pretty late start to the day, and as you can see, it's starting to get dark. There's a nice sunset up front, but hey, you know, and I savored every moment of today. The Hollywood Bowl, Mulholland Drive. I spent a lot of time at the Santa Monica Pier, just soaking in everything. Today concludes the first part of my coast to coast ride from east to west. And I'm heading towards Morro Bay right now, and my final stop and destination for today is gonna be Danville, California. I'm gonna meet up with an old friend of mine. I haven't seen him in a long time. And tomorrow, day 10, is just gonna be a chill and rest kind of day. I'm excited to be sleeping on a real bed. Yeah, just gonna relax and catch up tomorrow. No riding, no videos, none of that. There's still a lot of fun stuff coming up as I head back. I'm gonna do Lake Tahoe, US 50, which is the loneliest road. Ooh, check out that sunset. Looks like a volcano erupted or something. Oh my God, it's so gorgeous. But yeah, going back, I'm gonna do the US Lake Tahoe, US 50, which is the loneliest road in the US. The Bonneville Salt Flats, Idaho, Wyoming, Sturgis, and a lot of fun stuff. There's still a lot of fun and exciting stuff left remaining for me. The east to west trip from Raleigh, North Carolina to here to Santa Monica was about 33,400 miles. My final stop today is going to be, like I said, Danville, California, and I'd be covering about 580 odd miles today. So yeah, my buddy my buddy is gonna meet me in Morro Bay, and we're gonna ride from Morro Bay to Danville together. So I'm assuming it's gonna be a late night today, but hey, it is what it is. Well guys, thanks for watching. Keep your knees in the breeze. I'll catch you on day 11. Bro out.